Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and I'm going to go through this week's Happy Mouse shout-outs real quick with you guys. This actually is probably going to be a little bit of a long video because I do have, it looks like 11 different items to let you guys see. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this cute card that I got from Carol W. And it's actually a fun fold card. She's got the sentiment embellished, and it's embossed in gold, and that's very pretty. And then you open it up and you can put your sentiment in there. This is a really nice card. I haven't made this type yet, but looks like this is something I'm going to be trying out pretty soon. That is so pretty. Thank you so much, Carol. The next card, this is just too cute, is from Anna S. Actually, the first card from Carol, she was part of a swap with Card Swappers Plus on Facebook, and this was her Anything Goes card. The next card is from Anna S. She's with Card Conga, and this was an A to Z swap for D, and D for Depresso. Depresso, that feeling when you run out of coffee. No coffee, no talkie, no worky. I think this is just too cute. I'm gonna have to look and see if I can find that stamp set because I want to make some just like this. This is adorable. Thank you so much, Anna. Next card that I have is from, this is from Linda G, and it is a Mother's Day card. She did the swap with me also with Card Conga. And this is just a real pretty Mother's Day card. It's got a die-cut doily and sparkly flowers on the front. This is just too pretty. Thank you so much for that, Linda. And the next card I have is from Rhonda G, also with Card Conga. This is an A to Z swap with the theme of C, and she did a cute cupcake. If you eat what you are, eat something cute. So that is just adorable. So thank you so much for that, Miss Rhonda. Next card I have is from Karen S. It's also with Card Conga and is an A to Z with a D theme. And she did this cute duck. I don't have this stamp set yet. I have to get that. This is just adorable. I am a lucky duck. Nothing on the inside so I can put my own, but Karen did an awesome job on that. I really like that card. So thank you so much, Karen. The next one is from Carol L. And she is also with Card Conga. This is an A to Z swap with a theme of C, and she did cups. No one stacks up to you with those cute teacups there. I really like this card. This is adorable. I don't have that stamp set yet, but I'm gonna have to find that. That is just a doll. Okay, next we've got from a different Facebook group. It's Swappers Corner, and this one is something a little different. I hadn't tried this before, but I'm excited to start working on this kind of item. This is for a Memorydex card. It's from Mary M, and she did a Julie Nutting Mother's Day Memorydex. So we've got the Julie Nutting stamp. It's been paper piece with some nice pattern paper and polka dots, and she's got that embellished with some flowers and some bling, and says say Happy Mother's Day. This is the first Memorydex card that I've gotten, and I did get a Memorydex box recently, so I can start working on some of those. This is just too cute, and yours is going out in the mail today, Miss Mary, so thank you so much for this. This is just super cute. And thank you for being the first person to swap with me on one of those. The next item is also from Mary M. And what she's done for me this time is also with Swappers Corner is a mini pocket letter, and this one is in a coffee theme. That is too cute. She's got this little coffee shop in here in the middle where she's chatting with someone. Oh, there's some tape there blocking it. This says, "You are the cream in my coffee," with some little coffee cups there. And of course she gave me some die cuts and all to go with it. So thank you so much for that, Mary. That is just super cute. The next item I have that I received this week in my Happy Mail is from the group Pocket Letters and More US Only. And this is from Margaret H. It is a 3-pocket spring themed pocket letter. So we've got those pretty spring flowers there in front and back. She's got butterflies on the back and a little shaker and some little items in there too. So thank you for that. The next thing that I have is from Yvonne W. She's also with Pocket Letters and More US Only as the group, and this is going to be a 2-sided pocket letter. First, she also included a postcard from her area, so that is going in my stash, so thank you. The front of this one she did as a summer theme with some flowers and ice cream. Who doesn't like ice cream? And then on the back we've got pretty fun flowers. In each of these she does have some kind of goodies in there, which I have not had time to go through and see what else is there. So let's see what we have. Okay, this is the note. So this is where she wrote me a note. And it looks like I put it back in there incorrectly before when I was trying to look at some stuff. So that one goes there. I do apologize for my voice. My allergies are really bad today. I'm not going to go through all of the pockets just to save some time, because I know we're already a few minutes in. She did put some cute paper clips and such, and I really like this, so thank you so much, Miss Yvonne. And then the last item that I have today is from Pocket Letters USA as the Facebook group. This is from Crystal V, and it is going to be a 3-pocket flamingo pocket letter and folder, and she went a bit above that. She added some other extra things in there, so I'm going to go through all of those first and then go through her pocket letter. First, we've got this humongous sticker for a flamingo. I'm not sure what I'm going to use that one on, but I will find a use for that. She also gave me a little card with flamingos on there and a little cosmetic bag of flamingos. So that is real cute, so thank you. And then this, I think, is part of it. I think this is a tablecloth. It's a smaller one, but it says on the front, "Let's Flamingo." So I think that is super cute too. Was not expecting any of these extras here. Here is the pocket letter and folder that she did. She's got this nice belly band with the flamingo on there and some flowers poking through for you to take a look at there. And then when we open it up in this top section, we've got some embossed ribbon. 2 of those. We've got a couple of die cut feathers and a flamingo bookmark. So that is super cute, thank you. The bottom, she's got these like party sticks, but the flamingos actually open up, so those are cute. I'll have to find a way to use those for something soon. And then we've got her little pocket letter. The center section is a shaker, and it says "Beautiful and be unique" with the flamingos, and then she of course has got some little extras in the back. Looks like some post-its and some stickers. So thank you for all of that, Miss Crystal. This is really cute. I really like that. And thank you to all of the ladies that have sent me things recently. My allergies were getting better last week, and I have started back to work, so I'm not going to be participating in as many swaps. I just don't have the time or energy when I get home from work, unfortunately. I still want to do as much as I can, and I really enjoy doing this with you guys. So thank you again for participating with me, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much, and happy crafting.